Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna go for this super cute, it's like a frosted glass, broken glass, frosted glitter look. Got a little bit of butterflies in there if you can see it, but yes, I show you guys how to do some super simple art today. Those lines, anybody can do it. So if you want to learn more, keep watching. We're going to start off with a quick unboxing. If you don't care to see this, I'm going to put in a time frame here so you don't have to watch it and you can just get right into the tutorial. So unboxing this, it came with this little manicure set, which is super cute. It's like a little faux Burberry pattern. But when you're doing polygel, I'm starting to realize the lamps that come with the kits aren't like strong enough. You gotta purchase a lamp that's a little bit stronger. So by the way, this is all purchased with my money. None of this is sponsored. I'm gonna be putting these to the test and letting you guys know if they're a go or not. This lamp, I'm telling you right now, is definitely a go. I got it off Amazon and it was only $18, and this is a 120 watt lamp. So those little toy ones that we get with the polygel kits, I think they're like not even 40, not even 30 watts. I think 120 is the highest that you can go. And this lamp was only $18 and it's really good. Like, I cure my polygel nails for 30 seconds and they're fully cured. Granted, I did use clear polygel today, but still. It's also detachable, so the base, if you want to cure like your toes or something, you don't have to put your whole foot in it. So it's detachable, really cool. Definitely like this. If you guys want the link, let me know. Next, I know she got a new nail drill. I'm so excited. So this nail drill, okay, let me be honest. Everybody kept on telling me to get the Melody Susie nail drill, and I was gonna get it. But then I saw this one, and I remember watching a YouTube channel where a girl reviewed this nail drill. And I was like, okay, let me give it a try, because I saw her use it and she liked it, and she's a bomb nail tech. And it was $10 cheaper. And like I said, it's not sponsored, so I'm using my own coin. So I went for this one. It comes with a pedal too, but you can also use it just hands-free. Did that make sense? Handheld. That's what I meant to say. But yeah, it's so cute. It's like a little cube. It's super cute. It has a lock and an unlock feature, and I really like that it shows it to you. Alright, so this tutorial is skipping prep, because if I put prep in here, the video will be way too long. If you want to know how to do your prep, then click on the video that is linked above. I'm going to run through the prep that you would do really quickly. But first, I just want to say that we're using these full nail covers. The link to these will be in the bio. They're from Amazon. When you're sizing out your full nail covers, make sure that they are wall to wall, okay? If it's too small, opt for the bigger one and just take a nail file and file it down. But prep. So really quickly, what you want to do for your prep on your natural nails is you want to push back your cuticles, take alcohol to your nails, make sure that they're dehydrated and that all the dirt and oil is off of them. Then you're going to want to go in with a nail clipper. And since we're doing clear look, you want to make sure that all of the white off of your nail is completely off. No like nail tip on it, if you get what I'm saying. And then after that, you're going to want to put some scratches in your nail bed. You can use an e-file on a really low speed. Be very careful. Or you can use an emery board and put some scratches on your fingernails. And then you're going to do primer and you're going to do a base coat. And that should be good. If you want to do a dehydrator, you can, but the alcohol is kind of like a dehydrator in my opinion. That's why I never purchased a dehydrator, because like I'm already wiping my nail beds with alcohol. That's a dehydrator, right? Am I wrong? Maybe I am. Anyway, so now we're going to go in with some alcohol and set up our little station. I'm using 70% alcohol. You can use a slip solution if it comes with your polygel kit. I just prefer to use alcohol, and I'm using a brush that I got out of a Burano kit. We're going to be using clear polygel. I'm going to use the Macart one because I want to use this before I open a new one. And we're going to go in and do our first design. So you're going to put a very small amount of polygel in our nail cover. And then you're going to take some of your alcohol on a brush, dab off the excess, and then you're going to start slowly patting it and make sure that it fully covers the whole full nail cover. Don't put too much because this is kind of just like, this is our base layer. So don't put too much polygel in the tip at all. So as you can see, I'm flipping it over and I'm making sure that there's no air bubbles in it. And I'm also making sure that the whole surface of the nail is completely covered. You want to make sure that you're doing this on a regular basis, flipping over your nail covers, because what you see in the front is what you will get. So now I'm going to be using this dotter tool and I'm going to be taking the lid of the polygel, taking a little dab, taking my little butterflies. They're so cute. I purchased like this off Amazon too. And then you're just going to go in and strategically place them in your nail covers wherever you want them to go. Flipping it over to make sure that it looks cute. So now I'm going to take, oh shoot, I think this is called tinsel. Well, the gag is I got this from Walmart actually, and I got it in a pack of like, I think there was about 12 in there, and they had all different colors like purple, pink, blue, orange, yellow, black, every single color. This one is like the clearish pink one. This isn't the pink one that they have in that kit. And then you're just going to place it in your nail beds. I'm kind of doing it a little French because I want it to cover where my nail, how do I say this? I just want it to be on my nail bed, so you can't see the gap between my tip. You get what I'm saying? Like a French. You get what I'm saying? I hope that makes sense. So I'm going to go in with my little toy lamp and flash clear that for like 5 seconds. Then I'm going to go in with some more polygel, and this is going to fill the rest of our nail covers. So as you can see, you really want to squeeze it on there because it got all the bubbles out. Also, you're going to take your brush and then dab it off and then swipe around to get the excess polygel from around your nails. Now, as you can see, a little, what do you call those things? Tinsel got stuck there. I was so mad. I swore that was on the outside too. It got on there though. You just want to be careful of that. If you see that, make sure you check your nail before and go back and forth to make sure it's not hidden in there. And if you want to fix it, you can fix it. But I knew I was going to put bling over it, so it wouldn't matter. That's why I didn't bother taking it out. But now I'm just going to be doing the same exact method. So I'm just going to let you guys watch me work. Actually, before I go radio silent, I have a question for you guys. I can't believe I have an audience, y'all. This is so shocking to me. Like, I didn't think I would have as many like views and subscribers in such a crazy short amount of time. But I'm trying to figure out my upload schedule. So I think what I'm gonna do is upload twice a week, and then for one day out of the week do really cool like nail designs, sort of like this, like do funky cool nail designs. Because I do everything, girl. I can do very simple short all black nails, very simple short French tips, and then I can go crazy and do something like this, or do like huge like kawaii charms on my nails. I do it all. I really do. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do once a week something like that, more unique nail designs, nail art, and then the other upload be something more simplistic, you know? So let me know how you guys feel about that. If you're not subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button because we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Now I'm going to go in with a nail file really fast, and you don't have to do too much work because these are already filed and prepped for you. That's the beauty of full nail covers. That's why I love them. I'm going to brush off all of that dust, and I did wash my hands. And now I'm going to go in with this matte topper. I believe I got this from Sally's. I want to say I got it from Sally's, but I can't remember. You're just going to want to paint this on your nails as if it were a regular nail polish or a regular top coat. So now I'm using this crystal fan that I actually got from Amazon. How cute. It's so cute. It has 3 speeds, and I'm going to let you guys watch it like mattify. How cool. If you guys want the link to this fan, let me know in the comments and I'll definitely be sure to give you guys the link. Okay, so now we're going in with the nail art tip. This is like so easy. Now, yes, put it on your finger. Put the white gel polish on your finger and watch this. You guys are gonna be like, what? No way. So what you're gonna do is take your finger and swipe it against the sides, and boom, perfect every single time. Do the same on the other side. And then do the same for the tip. Boom, perfect. It gives you the perfect tip every single time. It gives you the perfect tip every single time. Every time. I love it. I'm gonna do this with a more simplistic look. But anyway, I don't know about you guys, but I saved my bling and I just wanted to show you this. These are old nails that I did. I hated these nails. So I just take the bling right off and I reuse it. If it's not too damaged, you can absolutely reuse your bling. So I just wanted to throw this little tip out there. Okay, so now I'm taking the polygel that I took off as excess from my nail covers because we don't waste polygel around here at all. So I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna put it where I'm applying my bling. So I'm just gonna speed it up and let you guys watch me apply my bling. Super simple. I get all of my bling from Amazon. So if you get any polygel over top of your bling from applying it, just take a little bit of alcohol and rub it just like I did here. So I get my bling, I got this bling off of Amazon, but I'm thinking of doing a nail art shop with me type of video. And I'm gonna buy a whole bunch of nail art from like AliExpress and then do an unboxing video because you can get it for so much cheaper from there. It just takes way longer. So if you guys want to see that, leave a like and let me know if you'd be interested in that. So now I'm going to be using the same cuticle oil I use in every video. You don't have to use this cuticle oil. This is just the one that I have. So I'm going to take it and put it around not only the backs but the fronts of my nails too, because those can get dry. At least they do for me. And here is the final product. I'm so in love. This nail is so cute. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you have any nail looks that you want me to do, definitely follow me on Instagram and tag me in it, DM it to me, and I'll be sure to give it a try. Anyway, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.